Don't you hate when that happens? Man, $100 just rolls off the table just like that. Well, I got a solution for you. Check this out. What is it? Find out right now. So like I was saying in the beginning, don't you hate when this happens and you're rolling, put your pencil down and just decides to roll everywhere? Well, this is the solution. I got a pencil sleeve cover. Yeah, so I got this on Amazon a couple of days ago. It just came today. And so let's just open it right here. See what's inside. They come in different colors. It's like a rubber, smooth rubber, silicone feel. It's very soft to touch. Soft to the touch. And then it comes with this little front topper. And it looks kind of big, but I think it's because it goes on this like this, and then it fits in there and it holds on a little better. So in order to install this, you have to pull this here. This has a slit right here. You can see that little dip over here. Yep, so what you do is pull this back like this. Oh. Pull it back like that. Okay, so I don't think you really have those. So you take the front of the pencil, you stick it through here on the top. This is the top side, and then the one with the ridges is the bottom side. So pull that, and it just slides in smoothly. Hold the front in, and then you just push on the back side. Oh, it's coming through. So I'm holding it by the ridges here to give me more grip on it, and then I just fold back until it exposes, and then just evenly make sure it evens out. Yeah, that's good. So then the top popped off, so let me just put that back in. And that's cool because this will help your protect the top from being lost. So you do is just stretch it over and look, easy. And it even has a little slit on the bottom here, right here, so you can put like whatever wire or shoestring you want to attach a cord. And then for the tip, to protect your nibs and the tip, put this cap on. Remember, we said it was a little big before, but when you roll it on top there, you can fits nicely. I mean, I don't think it's the best looking one in the world, but I got it also for a more texture grip over here for when you're drawing or using the Apple Pencil. You feel it more, because I feel like it was kind of slipping off my hand, so that's why I got that. So when I'm drawing, I can feel the grip on the pencil, and it adds more thickness to it, so I can feel like more grip on the pencil. Maybe that'll help me with my pressure sensitivity when I'm drawing. And I really appreciate you guys stopping by. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate if you do that. And check out my other videos. And also, I stream Mondays and Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Apple pencil sleeve cover. I'll leave that in the link in the description down below. And I'll catch you next time. Peace. Let's do rolling test. See, it doesn't roll as much as easy as before.